welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday. Energy Coffee Monday. So today we're going to be trying one of the Alani new branded coffees. So this is protein coffee with 10 grams of protein, maple donut flavor.
Yeah, I hope it's not too much protein. It kills the guy.
Oh, that'd be really bad. So anyways, guys, let's take a look at the important factors. We got ourselves 90 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, 1.5 grams of saturated fat, 15 milligrams of cholesterol, 190 milligrams of sodium, 8 grams of carbohydrate, a gram of fiber, 8 grams of sugar. We got 10 grams of protein, 263 milligrams of calcium, 232 milligrams of potassium, and 100 milligrams of caffeine.
Go.
Not too bad. So get this opened up and we'll give it a try. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, wow. Not quite. It's pretty good because it's like not overly sweet. It's a nice, faint flavor for the most part.
Donut.
Exactly, yeah. But it's not quite as sweet as you'd expect.
Just right.
Just right, exactly.
Just right. I love the bottle art too.
It looks really good.
Kind of rivery.
Yeah.
Sort of, you know. I like it. Any caffeine of any sort? I don't remember what you said.
What?
Any caffeine?
Yep, 100 milligrams.
Oh, nice. Please listen to the spec sheet. That's a great very. It's not bland.
Yeah. I mean, 10 grams of protein
What
too.
was the calories again?
90.
That's not bad.
So yeah, pretty good. And then again, you got the potassium, you got the calcium in there. So pretty good. I like the taste. Yeah.
Yeah. I'd be curious to see what kind of flavors they can hook them up with.
Yep, we also got cappuccino, so we'll have to try that at some point. But that's pretty good. I like that.
I bet the cappuccino's a little bit sweeter.
And probably a little bit stronger, I would imagine. So.
And what if they came out with espresso?
Ooh.
Espresso!
And then mocha. They probably like mocha latte and all those. So yeah, they got plenty of room to grow.
And then vanilla, something.
Vanilla sugar. Yeah, something like that. Anyways, but yeah, they definitely have, I think that's pretty good because it's not super coffee in your face. It's a very nice, balanced taste. And I mean, hey, you're also getting the protein out of that. So I mean, that's pretty good. So I like it.
Since you just made up that, when are we going to try super coffee on our face?
Super coffee in our face?
Yeah, when are we going to try that? Since
I don't know.
Not that means that exists. So when
it does exist, yes. I think it's called Death Wish Coffee. Yeah, we have tried that.
Super coffee in your face.
That is super coffee in your face. So, anyways, guys, I think that's really good. I'd say that's an SRT because I can definitely go pick up that and drink it anytime.
Yeah,
that's good.
Flavor too.
And good quality and a lot of cool ingredients in there as well. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. You would like it. Try it. And we'll see you guys here next time. Bye-bye.